going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. As we examine the 1 hour chart, we have dipped into negative MACD territory. We're at oversold levels with the RSI. As with the 4 hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD and we're seeing signs of a diverge. As we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and approaching back to oversold levels with the daily RSI. As with the trade idea, my position size for is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $38.53. My sell target is at $44.91. My stop loss is at $36.25. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $46.27, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. My sell target is at $41.05, and my stop loss is at $47.74. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 45% chance to climb between 0 to 9%. To the downside, it has a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 9%, and a 15% chance to fall between negative 9 to negative 18%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.